Welcome to Incredible Lab channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change lock screen clock style in your Android phone. So at first, if I lock my device and then double tap to unlock, now you have to touch and hold on the lock screen. Then type your current PIN or password. Then tap on done and give it a moment. Then you can see this interface, and from here you can customize your lock screen. If you want to change your clock style, just tap on clock option. And that's it. Now here you can see so many clock style, and you can choose any clock style as you like. Here you can see analog clock style, and also you can choose digital clock style. Now if I select this digital clock style, and from here you can choose your clock style color. Here you can see so many colors, and you can choose any color as you like. If I select blue color, then you can also change your clock text style from here. If I select it, and it's done. You can also change your clock position from here. You have to just touch and hold it, and then you can change your clock position. Then just tap on done, and it's done. Now you can see clock style has been changed successfully. And that is how you can change lock screen clock style in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.